Alright, listen up. We all know that guy at the range. He's got a rifle with a price tag that could finance a used pickup truck and a brand name roll mark that screams expensive. But when he sends lead downrange, his groupings look like a buckshot pattern at 50 yards. Don't be that guy. A lot of folks get tunnel vision on the big 3 legacy manufacturers. And yeah, they make decent hardware. But if you only look at the big names, you are sleeping on some serious platforms that will drill tacks without burning down your bank account. Today, we are talking about 5 rifles that are absolute sleepers. We are tearing into the actions, the trigger breaks, and the raw consistency of these systems. The rifle sitting at our #1 spot? It's going to hurt some feelings because it outshoots guns that cost double the price. If you want to stop missing and start stacking rounds in the same hole, go ahead and punch that subscribe button. We have got a lot of polymer and steel to get through. Let's get to work. Number 5, Mossberg Patriot LR Hunter. Starting us off at the number 5 spot is the Mossberg Patriot LR Hunter. Mossberg didn't just slap a new name on an old deer rifle here. They built a platform specifically to stretch its legs without emptying your wallet. This thing is built on the only things that matter for precision: a rock-solid foundation and a barrel that knows how to behave. Speaking of the barrel, it is running a heavy, fluted profile. That is not just for looks. That fluting cuts weight, stiffens the whip, and sheds heat like a radiator when you are running long strings of fire. If you are working up a spicy hand load or ringing steel at distance, heat management is non-negotiable for keeping your point of impact from wandering. Now let's talk furniture. The stock is a rigid chassis-style setup that comes standard with an adjustable cheek riser. That riser is critical. It lets you dial in a perfect cheek weld so your eye falls naturally behind the glass every single time. If you are fighting your scope shadow, you are missing the shot. The bolt action itself? It is simple. It is reliable. Is it going to feel like it's riding on ball bearings like a $3,000 custom rig? No. But it cycles when you need it to, and for a hunter out in the muck, that reliability is king. This rifle is a massive value play. You are getting feature sets like adjustable stocks and heavy barrels that usually demand a premium ticket. Pros: fluted barrel. That heavy contour fights off heat soak and keeps your harmonics tight for long-range work. Adjustable stock. Having that cheek riser means your eye alignment is consistent, shot after shot. Value. You are getting serious long-range features for a price point that is honestly hard to beat. Cons. Action. The bolt throw is utilitarian. It works, but it lacks that buttery smooth feel of the higher-tier competitors. Polymer magazine. The detachable box mag is plastic, and it can be a little fussy to seat properly if you are in a rush. Trigger. The LBA trigger is serviceable, but it doesn't have that glass rod snap of a true match trigger. Number 4. Sauer 100 Classic XT. Sliding in at number 4 is the Sauer 100 Classic XT. This is German engineering doing what it does best. It delivers a level of fit and finish that, frankly, we don't see enough of in the domestic market. This rifle is for the shooter who wants mechanical perfection and sub-MOA precision without lugging around a bench rest anchor. The action on this thing is the star of the show. When you run that bolt, it feels like it is gliding on ice. It is silent, it is smooth, and it speaks to some incredibly tight machining tolerances. If you are sitting in a deer blind, that silent operation is the difference between meat in the freezer and a spooked buck. They fit this rifle with a cold hammer-forged barrel. That manufacturing process makes the bore incredibly tough and smooth, which translates to consistent accuracy over the life of the gun. The Classic XT is wearing a polymer stock. It is rugged, it laughs at rain and snow, and it won't warp when the humidity changes. But the real kicker here is the adjustable single-stage trigger. You can dial this thing from 2.2 pounds up to 4.4 pounds. That lets you tune the brake exactly how your finger likes it, which is essential for precision work. The Sauer 100 punches way above its weight class in terms of quality. Pros: action smoothness. The bolt operation is exceptionally slick and quiet, thanks to that German obsession with tolerance. Adjustable trigger. You get a crisp, single-stage brake that you can fine-tune right at the workbench. Barrel quality. That cold hammer-forged steel is a guarantee for durability and tight groups. Cons: stock. It is a polymer stock. It is tough, but it doesn't have the soul or the feel of high-grade walnut or fiberglass. Availability. Finding spare parts or niche accessories can be a headache compared to the big American brands. Price. It commands a slightly higher tag than the budget bin, but you are paying for that superior finish. Number 3. CZ600 Alpha. At number 3, we have the CZ600 Alpha. When this hit the shelves, it caused a serious stir in the industry. CZ came out swinging with a radical design and a promise of sub-MOA performance that they actually back up. It proves that the bolt-action world isn't dead yet. It just needed some innovation. The receiver is a lightweight aluminum alloy. That cuts down the carry weight significantly, making this a dream for mobile hunters. But the headline feature here is the barrel system. It is user-changeable. You can swap calibers in your garage without a gunsmith, and the lockup remains consistent. That kind of modularity used to be exclusive to high-dollar sniper systems like the SOCOM guys run. CZ also rethought the safety. It has a vertical safety that is completely silent and intuitive. You can either lock the bolt down tight or manipulate it safely to unload the chamber. And the accuracy? They guarantee this thing will print. Sub-MOA groups at 100 meters. That is a bold claim, but CZ builds barrels that deliver. The 600 Alpha is a utility tool for the modern age. It ditches tradition for performance, giving you a lightweight modular system that drives tax. Pros. Modularity. The ability to swap barrels and calibers at home is a massive advantage for versatility. Guaranteed accuracy. CZ puts their name on the line with a sub-MOA guarantee right out of the box. Lightweight. The aluminum and polymer construction makes it incredibly easy to hump up a mountain. Cons. New design. It is a proprietary platform, so the aftermarket support for accessories is still playing catch-up. Action. It is reliable, but it has a different feel than the traditional steel-on-steel actions you might be used to. Recoil. Physics is physics. A lighter rifle is going to kick harder, especially in the magnum calibers. Number 2. The Howa 1500 Hogue. Number 2 is the Howa 1500 Hogue. This rifle is built like a tank. It is a testament to over-engineering and raw durability. While everyone else is chasing ounces, Howa focused on making an action that will survive the apocalypse. The receiver is forged steel. It is thick, it is heavy, and it is practically indestructible. This is a rifle you can drag through the mud, bang against a tree, and it will still cycle. The barrel is cold hammer-forged, known for holding 0 and lasting for thousands of rounds. But what makes this package special is the Hogue overmolded stock. This thing is covered in a rubberized skin that gives you a grip like glue. Rain, snow, bloody hands, it doesn't matter. You are not losing your handle on this weapon. That grip gives you confidence and control, which directly translates to better shots. The 1500 also runs a 3-position safety. That allows you to cycle the bolt and unload the weapon while the safety is still engaged. That is a critical safety layer for a field rifle. If you want a tool that just works, no matter how bad the conditions get, the Howe is your beast. Pros. Hogue stock. The rubberized texture gives you a positive, non-slip grip in the worst possible weather. Forged action. The steel action is massively overbuilt, ensuring it will run for generations. 3-position safety. Being able to clear the chamber on safe is a huge plus for field safety. Cons. Weight. It is heavy. You're going to feel it after a few miles of hiking, but that weight soaks up recoil. Trigger. It works, but to get a true match-grade feel, you will likely want to drop in an aftermarket upgrade. Aesthetics. It is a working gun. It looks like a tool, not a display piece. Number 1. The Bergara B14 Ridge. And sitting at the top of the heap, number 1. The Bergara B14 Ridge. This is the rifle that blurs the line between a factory gun and a custom shop masterpiece. It is the most accurate rifle that people still aren't talking about enough. Bergara started as a barrel maker, and that DNA shows. The B14 Ridge is rocking a world-class, free-floated Bergara barrel. That steel tube is the reason this thing shoots lights out. With good ammo, this platform is boringly consistent, printing sub-MOA groups all day long. The action is a 2-lug system that mimics the footprint of the Remington 700. That is huge. It means almost every stock, trigger, and rail made for the 700 will fit this rifle. The stock is a synthetic fiberglass blend. It is rigid enough to provide a stable launch pad for the bullet, minimizing flex. It's finished with a soft touch coating that feels premium and gives you a solid purchase. The Bergara B14 Ridge is the sweet spot. You are getting match-grade performance without having to sell a kidney. It combines a legendary barrel, a smooth action, and infinite customization potential. Pros: Bergara barrel. You are getting a premium, match-quality barrel that delivers exceptional accuracy standard. Remington 700 compatibility. You have access to the largest aftermarket ecosystem on the planet for upgrades. Action smoothness. The bolt runs smooth and tight, feeling much more expensive than it actually is. Cons: weight. It has some heft to it. Great for stability on the bench, less fun on a 10-mile stalk. Stock. While rigid, the synthetic stock doesn't feel quite as high-end as a carbon fiber option. Trigger. The factory trigger is solid, but serious precision shooters will usually swap it for a lighter unit eventually. Alright, we just ran the gauntlet on 5 rifles that are punching way above their weight class. To us, the winner is undeniable. The Bergara B14 Ridge is that rare beast that gives you custom shop results at a blue-collar price point. It proves you don't need to spend $5,000 to hit a target the size of a quarter. The takeaway here is simple. Stop paying for logos. Pay for the engineering. Look at the barrel, the bedding, and the lockup. Don't be a sheep. Buy the tool that puts rounds on target, every single time. I want to hear from you guys down in the comments section. Which sleeper rifle do you trust when accuracy is the only thing that matters? If this breakdown helped you figure out your next purchase, smash that like button, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and drop a comment below. Stay sharp and stay safe out there.